Hi friends, welcome to codewithsugi YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about nested try. In the previous video also we have discussed about nested try and I have missed one thing in that. So I'm going to cover that in this video. As usual, I'm going to create a class called nested try 2. So before we get into this video, if you are new to our channel and if you are not aware of what we have discussed till date, so you don't need to worry. We always used to add all the links in the description. So please go ahead and have a look on the previous videos. Let's get into this video. So I'm going to take one small example like integer k equal to 0. I'm taking one variable and then I'm taking one array integer array arr equal to, I will assign 2 to 3 values to this array. So the size of the array is 3 and the index is from 0 1 comma 2, and then I'm going to take a string name equal to, I will say testing. First I'm going to take one try. In the try, what I'm going to do, if k equal to 10 divided by 0, then value of k, I will say plus k. So in the catch, I'm going to catch the base class, that is the exception. Fine. I'm going to do this out. I'm try outer try exception. And then I'm going to have one more sys out as I'm from exception class. Then I'm going to print the stack trace of the exception. Here I'm going to try, instead of this try, I'm going to try to get the value from the array. So I will have a sysout over here and then value from array, I will say array of k. Based on the k value, I'm going to retrieve the value from the array. So here there may be a chance for array index of top bound exception. So I'm going to catch the direct exception here. I will say array index of top bound exception and then in sysout I'm from inner try catch and I will print the dot print stack trace over here. Then one more thing is I'm going to try if there is no exception in this line number 18, then I'm going to have one more try. In this try I'm going to say name equal to null, then integer I equal to name dot length, then sys out length of name plus I. Then in this catch, so we all know this will raise the null pointer exception, but I'm going to catch illegal argument exception. Then I will say this out I'm from try catch. Then I will print the stack trace of this. So here we are having 3 try blocks, right? So the first one we will say outer, and this one we will say like inner, and this one we will say like second inner. So this is how we are having a try blocks. So what I'm going to do before explaining about this, so let's we try to raise the arithmetic exception from here and then we will see what we are getting. Just I'm going to run this program. See, it's printing I'm outer try exception. I am from exception class arithmetic exception. So to make sure it's executing the entire line of code, so I'm just going to have a differentiator over here and then I will say end of program, so that we can make sure that entire program is executed successfully and the exceptions are handled. And now I'm going to run this program to see the output with the updates. Now it's confirmed that there is no interruption in the execution. The exception is handled and it went till the end of program. So though we don't have arithmetic exception directly, we have an exception class and this is the base class of arithmetic exception. So that's the reason it's handled through the exception class itself. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have this k value as 10 divided by 5. So we will get value for k is 2. If we get the value of k equal to 2, then it will come here and then array of 2, it will print 30. Then it will come inside of this try. In this try, it will try to get the length for the name, but the name is assigned with null, so it will raise the null pointer exception. But the null pointer exception is not handled over here. Now we're going to see what will happen if we run this program. So I'm just running this program. See, so it's saying like null pointer exception as expected, and it's coming here and it's printed the value of k is 2, and then it's printed the array value as 30 as expected, then automatically it's coming into this try. It's trying to get the value for I, but this line 21 raised the null pointer exception. Though we don't have null pointer exception here, this control is moved to this outer catch, okay, because it has the base class exception class, and then it handled with the help of the exception. Then it executed the lines whatever we have in this catch, and then it printed the stack trace. Then it successfully ended the program. So this is the beauty of nested try catch. If we have base class in the outer exception, and if we missed any particular exception inside of our try catch, then that will be handled in the outer catch. So let's we have array index of top bound exception here and then exception here, and I'm going to run this program now. See, it's cached properly. So because this null pointer exception will be raised in the second inner, so the second inner will be handled in the first inner catch. The first inner catch is having exception, so it's handled over here. But if we raise the arithmetic exception, see, the execution will be terminated because we raised the arithmetic exception in line number 14, but the outer catch only catching array index of top bound exception. So this outer catch will not aware of the other exceptions. So that's the reason it's just terminated the program. Whenever you are trying to create a nested try catch, so you have to give little more attention to this exception handling so that you will not get any surprise while running the program. So the only thing is you have to understand it like if you are using the class exception, then the subclasses will be handled directly. If you are using any specific exceptions, then you need to make sure we will get that exception only in that place. If not, then go with the exception class. Now I hope you have some better understanding about the exception handling and then the keywords like try, catch, throw, throws, finally. So we have discussed everything about the exception handling in a very detailed way. If still you guys have any doubt in this, then please feel free to put your comments in the comment section so that we will have a look and we will revert back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget, we always used to add all this code into the GitHub and the link is available in the description. So please go ahead and have a look on that too. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. Thank you.